Magic E. Hello kids.
Today, we will learn about Magic E. Before we begin, let's look at the following word.
C-A-N. Can. Here, C is a consonant, A is a vowel and N is a consonant. Thus, we can say that can is a CVC consonant vowel consonant word. Now, let's add the letter E to the CVC word can. What do we get? We get cane. Can becomes cane. Do you hear the sound of E in cane? No, because E is a magic letter. It remains silent but changes the sound of the vowel A in can from A to A in cane. Magic E remains silent but makes the vowel before the ending consonant say its own name. For example, kit becomes kite. Here, kit becomes kite with the addition of magic E. The I in kit changes to I in kite. Some other examples. Not becomes note. Mat becomes mate. Hat becomes hate. Pin becomes pine.
Now you know how Magic E works.
See you next time.